Hi, I'm Joao Cavalcante from Cleveland Clinic, reporting here for the Fellows in Training on the Go blog. And I have the distinct pleasure of having Dr. Tom Porter from University of Nebraska. Dr. Porter, I would like to ask some advice here for the fellows that are graduating and succeeding into an academic program. What advices do you think would be most helpful for them to take to succeed over these next few years ahead?
Well, I think it's really important to get an idea of what you want to do. Focus on an area that you think you're good at, and also then spend some time working with people that are good in that area, mentors, if you will. I know it helped me to go work with, for example, Sanjeev Kaul when I was working on contrast echo. Fortunately, he was close by and I could spend some time with him, and he really got me focused on the aspects that were important to study in research, and how to maintain that balance of research and clinical care when you get into an academic practice. So that, I think, is one of the most important first steps, is work with someone that has already established success in the particular area you're interested in. Second, I think it's really important to maintain a very good perspective with the section chief you're working with. The
culture of the place.
Right. Understand the culture of the place. Understand what they determine as success. Because you may be thinking you're very successful, and then their eyes, maybe you're not doing as good in one area as another. Because being a cardiologist in academic practice means you have to be a very good clinician, very good researcher, and also a good teacher. And you don't have to necessarily be stars in all those areas, but you want to find out what it takes to move forward in that field. You would like to be within 4 to 5 years an associate professor, and there's different ways to do that. And it's good to keep contacts with your institution, because each institution has their own way of deciding how they're going to promote someone. So you find what you're most interested in. If you love teaching, then really find the metrics they use to define teaching success. If you like research, look at the metrics they want there, and certainly try to get publications. And this goes back to the first point, that if you've worked with a mentor in that area, that also provides someone that may be reviewing your papers and give you success in that area.